So hi guys, I'm gonna do some unboxing. So I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna show you what I made. I'm unboxing it. Just wrapped it. Yeah, look. Do you see, like, I tried to make the squishy how I could, and it turned out good. I was like so happy, like I was like running around screaming while my dad was tying it. It's so like I like it. I need like a lot. Not that. So look how good it is. Look at the texture. Just keep squishing it. If you made like some stuff with hard clay, but it can be still squishy. See? So, guys, so subscribe to my channel and my mom's, and to my sisters. Hiba draws, and yeah. And if the comments is open, you could tell me one that I could make, and then I could wrap it and then unbox it. So, bye.